Now, with so many companies, with so many software for product development simulation, the marketplace is hungry. Hungry for good molding knowledge, good people with the good knowledge and the practical experience. Molding experts will always be in high demand if you are good and to master the capabilities of molding. It means that you have to have the ability to understand the theory, to understand the practical, to understand how do you apply in the molding industries. And I truly believe that you have to shift from a job economy to now what we are calling the skill economy. It's not degree pays the bills. It's the skill that pays the bills. I believe you want to get the intense working capability to enhance the professional ability and to build in the company's strengths. So today, I want to share with you a product, MPE, Molded 3D Plastic e-learning. It provides an excellent platform that you can learn without being restricted by time, place, and space. You will create your combat capabilities. It's easy to learn and will pay off forever. So, you have to make a decision what you are going to spend time on. If you want to develop some of these valuable skill sets, if you want a shortcut, if you want a master way of doing this, let's pay attention to what I'm going to show you. Molded 3D Plastic e-learning has emerged with a variety of functions that are enhancing the learning experience drastically, breaks the traditional way of taking classes, and no longer need to go to a special training center for the vocational courses. Through MPE, users can access all necessary knowledge and practical experiments about injection molding on the platforms. All the courses are cooperate our Molded 3D experts, and even can operate 3D virtual molding machine. You don't need to go somewhere to study. Just stay home and let's start learning. So, who needs MPE? Company owner, polymer processing trainer, newcomer, organization leader, or those students who are potential manpower? About this product, the most important task of MPE is that it can create the competitive manpower. We expect to promote polymer processing courses in the educational institutions. So it's no longer unpopular elective courses without practice operation.